Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a very important topic for anyone interested in working in the United States, the H-1B visa. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, who is eligible, and the process involved. Let's get started. The H-1B visa is a type of non-immigrant visa in the United States. Essentially, it allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers for specific roles, mainly in what's called specialty occupations. But what exactly counts as a specialty occupation? Specialty occupations are jobs that require highly specialized knowledge and a minimum of a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in a related field. Common examples include software engineers, data analysts, architects, doctors, and scientists. But the H-1B isn't just limited to tech or science fields. Certain fashion models and people working on Department of Defense projects can also qualify if they meet specific requirements. Let's talk about eligibility. To apply for an H-1B visa, you need to meet a few key conditions. You must have a U.S. employer willing to sponsor you. Your job must qualify as a specialty occupation. You must possess the required education, experience, or credentials for the role. For models, they must be of distinguished merit or ability in the fashion industry. For defense-related roles, workers must meet Department of Defense project requirements. The H-1B visa process involves several steps. Employer petition. Your prospective employer files a petition with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as USCIS. Labor condition application, LCA. The employer must get approval from the Department of Labor, ensuring fair wages and working conditions. Visa lottery, if applicable. Due to high demand, some H-1B applications go through a lottery system. Visa approval. Once approved, you can apply for your visa at a U.S. consulate or embassy and begin your journey to working in the U.S. One important thing to remember, the H-1B visa is temporary, typically valid for 3 years and can be extended up to 6 years. During this time, visa holders can live and work in the U.S., but changing employers or job roles requires approval from USCIS. Here are a few tips for anyone planning to apply. Start early. The H-1B process is competitive and time-sensitive. Keep your educational documents and work experience proofs ready. Understand the terms of your employment and visa restrictions. So, to summarize, the H-1B visa is a valuable pathway for foreign professionals, fashion models, and defense project workers to contribute their expertise in the United States. It comes with eligibility criteria, a structured application process, and certain time limitations. If you're planning to work in the U.S., knowing the H-1B rules can make your journey much smoother. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. And as always, remember, this video is for educational purposes, so verify all details with official sources before applying. See you in the next video.